Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. Let's check out this EverFlow diaphragm pump. It is 7 gallons a minute. It runs at 60 psi. It's a corrosion resistant with a centipreme diaphragm. It's got a Honeywell micro switch in it. It's got an inline fuse in it. It's approved for Roundup spraying. Let's check out inside the box. Here's some more of the pumps they actually sell. There's a quick look. Okay, let's check out what's inside the box. Like I said, it's got a 1/2-inch inlet and outlet. It's got the idiot sheet in case you don't know how to hook it up. Let's take this off here. It's got a real nice gauge wire that comes on it. It's a pretty decent gauge. It's got the fuse already in here, ready to rock and roll. It's a heavy-duty pump. It weighs about, I don't know, weighs about 10 pounds or so. It's a 12 volt. It pulls about 23 amps max. Okay, it's an EF7000. The max pressure is 60 psi. The open flow, 7 gallons a minute. So at the end of a 300 foot of hose, you're probably getting about 55 psi, 60 psi, and you're getting about roughly 4 gallons a minute, depending on the tip, after a 300 foot of hose. Let's take a look around the front here. It's actually got a micro switch up on top. Your inlet and outlet. You can adjust the actual pressure on it. Now this is not to adjust the pressure, more pressure, just when the unit shuts off. Okay, so you really, there's no increase in the pressure. The pressure is only what the pressure is. Okay. This is probably a better pump because of the rate, the price, compared to the Fat Boy pump. The Fat Boy pumps were getting real hot. They were burning up, and people had a lot of problems with them. They got a different configuration to shut the pump off when you let off the trigger. It's actually got a relay in it, and the relay gets really hot. So that thing is not really all that great. Had a lot of problems with that. Many people had a lot of problems with that. So anyway, this is a good pump. It's some places want to charge you about $300 for it. If you know where to get it, I can get it for you a lot cheaper. This pump will last you, even if you don't take care of it, this pump probably go a good 4 months, even through heavy abuse. So this is well worth the money. This little pump has made me a lot of money. Anyway, you need a soft wash system built, and give me a call. You need soft wash training, I'll give you all the inside secrets for a small fee with 6 months of tech support. Anyway, this was the EverFlow. It was the EF7000. That's the best one in the market right there. Under Pressure Power Wash, 561-907-9541.